burns out on an afternoon.
Keep going. I can take it.
We have records showing that you swiped into the clinic at 10:53 p.m. that night. Was it because Professor Keating asked you to go do something for her? Clear her phone of suspicious material, for example?
Of course not. That would be illegal.
Guys, all of a sudden, okay, it was so light outside earlier, right? It was warm, it was just sunny. And now, the rain came down in buckets. It's insane. Like, literally, guys, hold on, let me get this back to normal. Look where I have my phone. That is so dangerous. Literally, guys, it was so sunny out, and I was talking to my aunt, and I was like, wow, wow, the weather is finally back to normal. And then I was laying down in my bed, I was watching Pretty Little Liars, just started that, and all of a sudden I hear, boom, and it's just like a bucket of water just dropped down. And, I mean, maybe I'm being a little bit dramatic about the rain, but I'm not joking about the sound. Maybe you guys are used to that, but the rain is just, whew. I'm supposed to have softball practice. Not sure if that's happening anymore. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it would be. Let's go. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm sorry I didn't end the vlog yesterday. I went to softball practice, but it ended up being canceled, so I came back home, and basically, I worked out, and did basically nothing after that, so, oh, and I started working on a video that I think is going to be so funny. It's going to go up soon, so just look out for that. It will be linked down below for the vlog. That is the day that it uploaded. So just watch out for that. Look at all the links. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And goodbye.